Hey and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you how to log in VRchat account step by step. So friends, if you want to log in your accounts, follow me on this video guide. Go to Google, search for VRchat. This is the keyword and then click on VRchat website. You have a login option from here. You can click this one to log in. And so click login from here. You will see login page. Just wait. This is the login page, friends. From here, you will see logout. I want to make logout. This is the login page. So in this case, I write your email address. For example, this is my email address. Just wait. Write your email address, friends. This is the first step you need to do. When you write your email address, write your password and then click login option. So this is how you can do. You can log in with your Discord accounts. Choose a Discord. You will redirect it to Discord and then complete your login process and login steps. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and you share this